of the peak right there. Go straight. You're good. Come passenger slightly. Sit down now. Yep, keep passenger slightly. Not that.
This is where Tim fell like 3 times trying to video you.
Yeah, he did. I forgot about that one. I haven't even seen that video.
Because he probably didn't put it on because he fell.
He never did.
Yeah, because he wouldn't look back.
I forgot. Whoa. Come on.
Sorry, you didn't know what happened there.
Holy shit, balls.
I don't know what happened there at all.
You're good.
Holy shit, get out of the hole first.
Sorry.
Great video footage though.
Christ.
That's a great video.
You see us scurrying the fuck out of the way?
Woo! Straight. Come straight. Wow. You didn't even hit the wall.
You didn't even hit us.
Gas pedal stuck, dude, for sure.
You got your floor mat in the way or what?
Just don't hit the gas pedal instead of the brake next time.
You want to put both batteries on top of here? I'll be up here. Just keep going, driver, all the way as far as you can go. As it will let you.
Do I gotta hit that?
Yeah, you're fine now. Just stay just like that. Go slow.
Direction here, that's all.
No, straighten out your tail a little bit.
You're good. Just go straight. Go straight and you're good.
Just go straight, you're out. But take your time. No,
Straight. Straight.
straighten out your wheel.
There you go.
Remind me to check my pants.
Holy shit. Like, where's he going? Just keep going straight. You're good. You're going to climb a rock. There you go.